Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. I have really gotten into making my own bread in the past year, so why not add in making your own flour right from home with this awesome kitchen grinder. This is by the Kitchen Mill, and this grinder has exceeded all of my expectations as far as the quality as well as how great a job that it does. Once you're set up and you have your wheat berries, then you are ready to go when it comes to this grinder. It's really very easy to put together. There was nothing crazy that I needed to learn. The instruction booklet is really helpful. And I really like it because it feels very safe to use despite all of the power that it has. It is quite loud. I didn't find that it was overbearing, but it just actually just sounds like what it's supposed to be doing, and that's grinding your berries, your corn, your rice, whatever you're using it for. It will start kind of flying around a little bit, but really I just put my hands over the top and it alleviated that with no problem. Otherwise, the machine itself did not make a huge mess. Everything stays really contained into the bin at the bottom. The flour that comes out of it is nice and finely ground. It's definitely the exact consistency of flour that I would expect. And I was just really impressed with how easy that this machine is to use. Really, adding in your own homemade flour takes everything to the next level when it comes to this machine. I really appreciate that I can also use it for corn or for rice, so I can make different types of flours. And I'm just really impressed not only with how easy it is to use, but also with the really high quality and how well that it made my flour so that I'm ready to make my next loaf of bread. But that's just my point of view.